Hey everyone, so I got my iPad and my Apple Pencil today. This is my Apple Pencil.
Wow!
This is my iPad.
Wow!
It's pinky in color. नहीं उठाया जा रहा. So this is my iPad. Yeah. Wow. This is what I engraved on this. Okay, so in this box I got adapter and a USB-C cable is there. Yeah. Nice that they gave me charger and cable क्योंकि iPhones के साथ तो लेनी पड़ती हैं. So let's unbox my pencil. So this is the Apple Pencil. I will show you. Yeah. This is okay. So this is the pencil. और ये USB-C है तो ऐसे खुलेगी. Let's try it on. One side of the seat button. So it is good to go and it's working now. It's working now. I wrote this. और मुझे धीरे धीरे आदत पड़ जाएगी इससे लिखने की. फिलहाल तो मैं इतना अच्छे से नहीं लिख पा रही. I think now I have to make few settings. Okay, so now my iPad is all set. अब हम इस पे कवर चढ़ाएंगे ताकि मेरे से गिरे ना. This is the Apple Pencil. I love this and I love these products of Apple. Look at my cover. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end and subscribe for more such videos.